Dell here with a cup of water and this little container. Oh, MIO, this is the lemonade thing. And I've been told that I can add as much of this as I want. So it's, I don't know how you pronounce this, MIO or MIO? MIO. And I don't, oh, it's liquid, okay. Let's take a look. There, oh, sorry, I see a little squirt there. So I don't know, you think one's enough? There, I'll give it 2 little squirts. And we'll keep holding this up and see. Mostly the water. We'll use this knife handle to stir it up. I don't know. I think we'll give it another one. Let's see how that works. There. I'm thinking I should go more than that, but yeah. Might have to stir it again. Okay. It's all right. I'm gonna go for 2 this time. For a total of, I think, I lost count, it'd be 4 or 5, I think. I think it's 5. And then you can go according to the coloration as well. There, that's starting to get there. I think 5 was about right, 4 or 5 maybe for me. Well, according to your taste, it's a little bit heavy, so maybe 4, maybe 3 or 4. Depending on where you're coming from, 1 or 2 might do it for you. But either way, you can modify for your next cup of lemonade. This stuff's pretty good. It's not bad. I've got to keep doing this thing.